Once again, may buntag sa tanan. The disciples approached Jesus and asked them, Lord, who is the greatest in God's kingdom? Then Jesus took a child and put it in their midst. Og niingon siya, unless you become like a child, you'll not enter into the kingdom of heaven. Ang iyang mga disciples ni Christ didn't actually expect this kind of answer or explanation, who is the greatest in God's kingdom. Because if you look at their situation, the first century Jews were colonized by the emperor of Rome, the Caesar. So, politically speaking, it was the Caesar who is the greatest in the empire. Kung tan-awon po nimo ang ilang setup nila sa Israel, ang temple is the heart of their government. So it must be the high priest who must be the greatest in God's kingdom. And during that time, it was Annas Caiaphas who must be the greatest in God's kingdom. Kung tan-awon po nimo ang ilang history sa Israel, it was Moses, David or Solomon must be the greatest in the kingdom. Kaya sila magid ang mga kings o sila magid ang mga banggiitan kayo. Or, literally speaking, it must be God the Father who is greatest in God's kingdom. So they didn't expect that kind of answer from Jesus. Nga ang greatest in God's kingdom must be one who is like a child. Layo ra kayo, it is far beyond of their imagination. Now, if we look at the figure of Christ, as we all know, Christ has a three figure. Number one, Christ is King of Kings, or a royalty. Mabitang ang atong three orders at church. So we have bishop. It represents about the kingship of Christ. And we have the priestly order of Christ. So, ang figure ni Christ, though He is a king, but He is also a priest. But though He is a priest and a king, He is also a servant. That is why we have the bishop, the priest, and the deacons. That's the image of Christ nga iyang giportray sa iglesia. And here comes Jesus during the washing of the feet. He said, look, you call me Master and Lord, but look, I am serving you, for the Son of Man doesn't come to be served, but to serve. My son, ang challenge na to today is, are we doing this already? Ato na bang gibuhat ang gibuhat ni Ginoong Hesus? To serve. That is why glad nga I've been a deacon for that long period. Tungod kay the servant image of Christ na gina-portray gina siya sa pagkadiakono. But we cannot deny the fact that He is also a priest and He is also a king. Pero at this time, iyang gitang emphasis nga if you want to be great, you must be the last and the servant of all. You must serve the many. Alagaran nimo ang tanan. Kung gusto ka, mahimo banggiitan, bali. Kaya diri sa kalibutan, kung imong tanawon, kung mahimo kang kuan gyud, kila presidente ka sa Pilipinas, doctorate ka, Harvard ka, lahi ang notion sa kalibutan ang pagpasikat. Sa gingharian sa Dios, ang sikat kanang pinakaiwit. Mawita nalipay ko one time si katong Father Amy nag-ingko nga wa tay ko answer, wa man tay mo panday dani. Then I told to the teacher, inko nga, kanitong panday karon, he is our priest at the same time, he is a, napo siya sa DepEd. Okay. So, usahay man yun, kung wala kay heart sa servanthood, kuan ka kaning maglisod yung panglagad sa Ginoo. Yung dili, kanang, ang imong nauna gid ka, pagwalir gid ka, or papugihay ra gid imo lisod kayo sa katanan. May lang na sa tagaan ng certain task, pero diya gid matest ang imong servanthood gyud kung can you still perform menial jobs even menial than the jobs being kaning ginabuhat sa mga diakono. So, although naman tayo mga job description nga, deacon, this is your task, priest, this is your task, bishop, this is your task. Pero mulagi nga, can we do the things that Christ did? Ato na bang nabuhat? Ang iyang gibuhat nga, kung gusto ka mahimong labaw, wa mo kita nangandoy mahimong labaw, but ang gusto ni Christ, kung gusto ka nga mahimong labaw yun, you must be the last and the servant of all. Look at me, you call me Lord, you call me your boss, but I came here to wash your feet. Okay? For the Son of Man doesn't come to be served, but to serve. One theologian, usa ka theologian ang ingon, nga Lucifer openly expressed to God. Ingon siya nga, if Jesus Christ kuno will become a man and will be born through a woman, I will not serve him. Kaya kung tanawin mo ang heavenly setup sa hierarchy, God, angels, then human being. Ang human yun, ubos gina siya sa angels, sa hierarchy. And nasayod na siya daan, according to theologian, nasayod na siya daan nga because they have the mind of Christ, ang mga angels. Nasayod na sila daan sa beginning and sa end. O nasayod sila nga once upon a time in the course of the history, God will become man. And he will be born through a woman. And Lucifer says, if he will become a man who is lesser than angels, and he will be born through a woman, I will not serve him. Maigsoon, if you refuse to serve, you have the mind of Lucifer. So stop thinking that you will not serve. We must serve. Please stand.